So just now completed the darshan here at Managula Vinayagara temple. It will be opened at 4 p.m. So that's why we are here at in the world there are only two. Train incident. He's not. He's not.
He enjoyed a lot, I think so.
What happened, bro? What's up guys, कैसे हो एलॉन और hope everyone is doing great. So after coming from the sunrise of from the beach, so we have freshed up ourselves and came here to Arulmigu Manakula Vinayagara temple. So this is a best and must watch place in Pondicherry. So if you are coming here, don't miss it. So do visit it and take the blessings of Lord Ganesh. So now we are going inside the temple. So I don't know whether they allow me to vlog inside the temple, but if they allow, I will show you. So if not, I will show you the temple from outside. So let's go into the temple now. So just this. So we are not allowed to use any mobile or camera here. So I am closing it now. So bye. This is how inside the temple. So just now completed the darshan here at Managula Vinayagara temple. Very peaceful and very good place to visit. So if you are coming to Pondicherry, don't miss this. Okay, Managula Vinayagara temple. So actually after Managula Vinayagara temple, so our plan is to go to Aramido Ashram. But what local said is that it will be open at 4 p.m. So that's why we are here at Pondicherry Museum. For the first time I forgot the mask, so they didn't allow it without mask, so I used my kerchief as a mask. And each 10 rupees ticket for the entry into the museum. So in museum some things are interesting to see, but mostly all those things are already we have seen in some other museums also. So I think new things like piano, piano, furniture and treasure box, transport like old cars there, right? So those type of cars, so all those things are there.
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
Swords also, like war, the things which they used in the war also, everything was there inside. So coin collection is there, and jewelry, that is stone collection. So all these things are also there in the museum. So once you can visit the museum also, 10 rupees per head. So actually now we are going to Aravile Matri Mandir. So for that actually if we go directly, it is a free entry, but they will stop us around the 600 meters ahead of that. But if we pre-register a day or 2 days before, so they will allow us to go near to that. So that's the reason today we are going there and we will register there, that we will be coming tomorrow or day after tomorrow, so that we can go near to that Aravili Matri Mandir. So once if you Google that, you can see the location. It is like a globe. So according to like, so I have read that, so in that type of monuments or something like that, only in the world there are only two. Good.
हेलो नटराजा.
So actually there is a big change in the plan post COVID. So they have removed this registration. Only one thing, only till viewpoint everyone is allowed. That is also a free pass. So I have said already, right? So that is everyone is allowed till viewpoint only. So before it was there, like if we register 1 or 2 days earlier, they used to allow us near to the Matri Mandir, and we can also go inside that. And actual plan is to visit Aravili Matri Mandir on 13th. But anyhow, we came here till here, right? And there is no that pre-registrations. So what we are thinking is, so let us complete this also and then go to hotel. And today night we will cover museum, sorry, Aurobindo Ashram, church and planetarium. These three things. If we do these three things, no, so major 80% of Pondicherry is covered within 1.5 day. That's it. So tomorrow is the main day. So total beach day tomorrow. So Paradise Beach, Serenity Beach, everything we'll cover tomorrow. So we'll stay like more than 5 to 6 hours in the beach itself tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm really excited for that. So chalo, we are going inside. So after going there, we need to take the free pass and then go to the viewpoint. A must visit place when you come to Pondicherry. So don't miss this place at any cost. So you can see most of the foreigners this side. So you can study this to know more about this Auroville. Just take a screenshot and read about it. And this is the map. And at present we are here. So this is the video room. The Auroville symbol. So this is how it looks. So what happens is, like, we can see outside from here. So if we register before 2 days, so at present it was not there, right? So that is a diamond. I don't know what exactly, a diamond or not. So that is a kind of diamond or some stone. So if we register beforehand, so we are allowed into that. But due to this COVID, that thing is removed.
Yeah, just for the outside
So
visit.
when will be the registration opens?
We don't know.
So this gives you the experience of walking inside a forest. Karthik. So this is how the way to the viewpoint. I think we are near to the viewpoint now. Still, I guess 600 meters left for the viewpoint. So I want to take some rest. I'll sit here. Amma.
వైట్ షర్ట్ వేసుకున్నావు.
Where are these people? Huh? This Yashwant and Prabhat, both of them are busy in photo shoot. I don't know how many pics they are going to post in Instagram, but so if they are going to post, it will be surely within a month they can cross 3,000, 4,000 posts. Actually, we already walked 1 kilometer. So the visitors coming on our opposite side, we asked them how much distance still to the viewpoint. They are again saying 1 kilometer. 2 kilometers of walk, but it worth it. So the pass which we have collected there, we have to give them here. So according to these people, they are saying just 200 meters from here. Hope it should come soon, and I think this is the vehicle we have to go in return. So if we want, we can also walk, but we don't have that much patience now. We have to go and we have to eat, then take a power nap of at least 30 minutes. Then we have to go to planetarium, Aurobindo Ashram and the church. If these three things completed, so no more things left other than Paradise Beach. Auroville Matri Mandir. Looks amazing.
ఏం చేసినాడు అవన్నీ
Yashwant, it's not good. Why you are sitting there? What you are doing there? It's worth coming here. You can see how much beautiful it is. So one disappointment is, once again I am saying I'm really disappointed. That's why I'm saying this many times. So they would have allowed us inside that. We are really missing that. So for free registration, this is the viewpoint. So from here only you have to see that. So that's it. I think we are done with this thing and we have to move out now. So we just got down of the bus and going near our bikes where we parked them. So from there we can go to hotel. So I am totally exhausted. So something should be put in my stomach. Then only I can be relaxed now. So once we have lunch, we have to take some rest. So if not possible, lunch is important now. At least lunch. Lunch plus a power nap, that will be great. So at this point of time, even if I have lunch, that is enough for me to regain my energy. That is the reason I am talking little bit low. Already the time is 3 o'clock. So we didn't have our lunch. Something in the morning I have had one uttappa. I have shown you, right? That's the last meal today which I have had. So lunch in the sense today, as today is Shivaratri, so I will only eat tiffin. Now I'm not going to eat rice. These people are again having photo shoot there. So from the same route again we have to come back. Hey, Yashwant, it is great if you can so say in your words about the experience happened in that. Amath, I'm asking his experience about that train incident. He's not.
He enjoyed a lot, I think so.
What happened, bro? What happened in the train?
Yeah, fully enjoyed.
Huh? Really?
Yeah.
So then I'll call 10 people. Looks recharged, right? Yeah, the reason for this is so after having the lunch, so we just had a power nap for 1 hour. So it's so the actual plan is to visit church, Aurobindo Ashram and planetarium, right? So but planetarium and Aurobindo Ashram are closed now. So we are going to church. So from there again we will go to Rock Beach again, sit peacefully for some time and then come back to room and then have our dinner. So we ordered our dinner from phone, like there is a Andhra mess here. So we ordered there and so once it comes, so we'll eat and then sleep. So now we are at the church just beside the railway station, the Sacred Heart Basilica. This is how the church looks in the night. So this is the night view. So if you want to see the day view, you can search it in the Google, like the Sacred Heart of Basilica. Just the church beside the railway station. So this is also must visit place here in Pondicherry. Once go in, so if they allow me to vlog there, I will do. If not, nothing, just will go inside and they will come out.
So what?
So usually we see Gajastambam in temples, right? I don't know what exactly it is called in English. So this is the first time I can see the same type of thing in church. Again back to room. So we went to Rock Beach. I didn't vlog there much because yesterday itself only I showed each and everything there. So one more thing I observed in Pondicherry is in each and every single street, so there is at least one temple. So as today is Mahashivratri, so not only covering the church. So at morning we went to Vinayagar temple. In afternoon, after going to church, I went to one more temple. I think Ramalayam. Okay. So Ram's temple, Lord Ram's temple, Ram, Lakshman, Sita. Okay. And in that Lord Shiva is also there. And just beside our hotel, one more temple is there. So if possible, I will also go there today. So there are a lot of people came there. So it looks very nice, right? As today is festival, it is full of lightings and all. And we have ordered our food from a Andhra mess. So that food is here. Andhra restaurant. So where is this food? This is the food, and we have to heat it now. We have to eat it now. Okay, so you can see the change in my voice. Different variety types of water and eating all the junk. That's no problem during the tours or trips. These things are common. It will be all right once we go to home. Just now completed our dinner, and so there is no other plans for the day, and time to take rest. So this is the end of this video. Arey, please wrong. This is the end of this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button. And see you in the next video with a lot of fun. Bye bye. Good night.